You have to promise you won't fall in love with me.
That's not a problem. I love you. Now would be the time to say something.
I told you not to fall in love with me.
Love is always patient and kind. It is never jealous. Love is never boastful or conceited. It is never rude or selfish. It does not take offense. It is not resentful. I'm sorry she never got her miracle.
She did. It was you.